Turning Tech for Seniors into a web app. Now, what will that do for us? Let's take a look. I've opened up the Tech for Senior website. I'm using Microsoft's Edge. I found this to be the easiest to do this with. Select the three-dot menu, top right. And when you get here, look for something that says Apps. When you select Apps, there's a pull-down menu. It says Manage Apps or Install this site as an app. And that's what we're going to select. Install this site, or in this case, TechForSenior, as an app. We'll give it a name. By default, it selects Tech for Seniors. Let's go with that. Install. The app's been installed. It's pinned to the taskbar. It's also pinned on Start. I can create a desktop shortcut, which I don't need since I already pinned to the taskbar. All I have to do is allow it. And now if you look at the taskbar, there's a new icon, part of the taskbar, which is Tech for Senior. And when I click that icon in the taskbar, it opens up Tech for Senior. What you're looking at right now is the Tech for Senior website that I opened utilizing the new web app pinned to my taskbar.